Hello, to turn on OTG connection on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then scroll all the way down, go into additional settings, again go all the way down, and right here we have OTG. And right now, in case you cannot turn on this option or turn it off, let me show you why. If you have connected your phone to any cable, you won't be able to turn on this option, and you simply have to unplug your phone from any cable. Actually, as you can see, this cable isn't even connected to anything. The phone itself just detects that it has connection with the cable, and let me show you. This cable isn't connected to anything. Let me plug it back into the phone, and now you cannot turn on or off this OTG. So in case you have the problems with this, just unplug your cable, turn on or off your OTG, and you can plug it back again. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.